Are your Instagram achievements missing? Let's fix that. Fast and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram achievements aren't showing up, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to bring them back. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, open the app and log into your account. Step 2. Switch to a professional account. Instagram achievements are only visible for professional or business accounts. Here's how to switch. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right, hit the 3-line menu at the top right, scroll down to For Professionals, and tap Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account, tap Continue, and follow the prompts. Step 3. Access your achievements. Now go back to your profile and give it a quick refresh. Tap on Professional Dashboard. Under Your Tools, you'll now see Achievements. Tap it, and you're in. And that's it. Your Instagram achievements should now be visible. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll be back with more helpful Instagram tricks and tutorials very soon. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.